In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon country settings. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can smoothly navigate Amazon's platform and adjust your settings without a hitch. This is particularly useful if you're moving to a different country or want to access a wider range of products available in another region. First things first, you need to be signed into your Amazon account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and open your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon homepage and log into your account. It's essential that you're logged into the correct account if you have multiple, as this will ensure the changes are made to the right profile. Once you're signed in, your next stop is the Manage Your Content and Devices page. To find this, you can simply type it into the Amazon search bar or locate it by navigating through the menu options. This page is your main hub for managing various settings related to your Amazon account. Now that you're here, you'll see several tabs near the top of the page. Click on the one labeled Preferences. This section is crucial as it houses all the setting options related to your account's personal and regional aspects. Within the Preferences tab, scroll down until you see something labeled Country Region Settings. This is where you'll be making the necessary adjustments. To begin updating your country settings, you'll need to click on the Change button located right there. This action will open up a new section where you'll input your new information. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your new billing address. When you're inputting this information, make sure it's accurate, as Amazon will use this address for any transactions and shipping details related to your account. If you're unsure of your new address or want to double-check it, now's the time to do so. Once you've entered your new billing address, you'll see a drop-down menu to select your new country or region. Choose the appropriate option for your new location. Updating this is significant since it affects everything from the products shown on your Amazon homepage to the currency used for purchases. After you've carefully entered all the necessary details, you'll want to click the Update button to save the changes. This final step confirms your new settings and ensures that your account reflects these updates the next time you log in or make a purchase. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon country settings. It might take a short while for all these changes to fully propagate through the system, so be patient if you don't immediately see changes to your shopping options. By following these steps, you open up a world of new products and regional offers tailored to your specific location. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on your newly updated Amazon account.